What's up everyone, I'm Roy. In this video I'm gonna speak about cryptocurrency staking, the overall benefits and risks, how crypto staking works, and how you can start earning passive income today. Then I will talk about a project named VLaunch that I'm currently earning a couple $100 a day passively just by staking on their launchpad. Now, if you're a crypto investor, staking is a concept you'll hear about often. Staking is the way many cryptocurrencies verify their transactions, and it allows participants to earn rewards on their holdings. Now, if you're asking yourself what is really crypto staking, staking cryptocurrencies is a process that involves committing your crypto asset to support a blockchain network and confirm transactions. It's available with cryptocurrencies that use proof of stake model to process payments. And this is more efficient energy alternative to the original proof of work model. Proof of work requires mining devices that use computing power to solve mathematical equations. Staking can be a great way to use your crypto to generate passive income, especially because some cryptocurrencies offer high interest rates for staking. But before you get started, it's important to fully understand how crypto staking works. So, how staking in crypto works? With cryptocurrencies that use the proof of stake model, stake is how new transactions are added to the blockchain. First, participants pledge their coins to the cryptocurrency protocol. From those participants, the protocol chooses validators to confirm blocks of transactions, and the more coin you pledge, the more likely you are be chosen as a validator. Every time a block is added to the blockchain, new cryptocurrency coins are minted and distributed as staking rewards to the block's validator. In most cases, the rewards are the same type of cryptocurrencies that participants are staking. However, some blockchains use a different type of cryptocurrency for rewards. If you want to stake crypto, you need to own a cryptocurrency that uses the proof of stake model. Then you can choose the amount you want to stake. You can do this through many popular cryptocurrency exchanges. Your coins are still in your possession when you stake them. You're essentially putting those staked coins to work, and you're free to unstake them later if you want to trade them. The unstaking process may not be immediate. With some cryptocurrencies, you're required to stake coins for a minimum amount of time. Staking is not an option with all types of cryptocurrency. It's only available with cryptocurrencies that use a proof of stake model. Many cryptos use the proof of work model to add blocks to their blockchain. The problem with proof of work is that it requires considerable computing power that has led to significant energy usage from cryptocurrencies that use proof of work. Bitcoin in particular has been criticized over environmental concerns. Proof of stake, on the other hand, doesn't require nearly as much energy. These also make it more scalable option, and with that can handle great number of transactions. So what is really proof of stake? Proof of stake in crypto is a way for a blockchain to validate transactions. The nodes in a blockchain must be in agreement on the present state of the blockchain and which transactions are valid. There are different mechanisms that cryptocurrencies use. Proof of stake is one of the most popular for its efficiency and because participants can earn rewards on their crypto they stake. Staking rewards are an incentive that blockchains provide to the participants. Each blockchain has a set amount of crypto rewards for validating a block of transactions. When you stake crypto and you're chosen to validate transactions, you receive those crypto rewards. So, how to stake crypto? Staking cryptocurrency may seem a little confusing the first time around, but it's a simple process once you get the hang of it. Here's how to stake crypto step by step. First, you need to buy a cryptocurrency that uses a proof of stake. As I previously said, not all cryptocurrencies offer staking. You need a cryptocurrency that validates transactions with proof of stake, like for example Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, to note some of the most popular. Start by learning more about any proof-of-stake cryptos that catch your eye, including how they work, their staking rewards, and the staking process with each one. Next, you can look for the crypto you want and buy it on cryptocurrency apps and exchanges. Second step, transfer your crypto to a blockchain wallet. After you buy your crypto, it will be available in the exchanges where you purchased it. Some exchanges have their own staking programs with select cryptocurrencies. If that's the case, you can just stake crypto directly on exchange. Otherwise, you'll need to move your funds to a blockchain wallet, also known as a crypto wallet. Wallets are considered the best way to safely store cryptocurrencies. The fastest option here is to download a free software wallet, but there are also hardware wallets available for purchase. And if you want to know more about cryptocurrency wallets and the best way to store your crypto safely, I made a full video on that. You can check it up here and in the description. So when you have your wallet, choose the option to deposit crypto and then select the type of cryptocurrency you're depositing. This will generate a wallet address. Go to your exchange account and choose the option to withdraw your crypto. Copy and paste the wallet address to transfer your crypto from your exchange account to your wallet. Third step, you have to join a staking pool. While staking can work differently depending on the cryptocurrency, most use staking pools. Crypto traders combine their funds in these staking pools to have a better chance of earning staking rewards. Research the staking pools available for the cryptocurrency you have, and there are a few things to look out for before starting. First of all, their reliability. You don't earn rewards while your staking pool servers are down, so pick one that has an uptime close to 100% as possible. Second of all, reasonable fees. Most staking pools take a small cut of the staking rewards as a fees. Reasonable amount depend on the cryptocurrencies, but 2 to 5% is a common. Third is the size. Smaller pools are less likely to be chosen to validate blocks, but offer larger rewards when they are chosen, since they don't need to divide rewards as much. You don't want a pool that's too small and could potentially fail. On the other hand, some cryptos limit the amount of rewards a pool can earn, so the largest pools can become oversaturated. For most investors, mid-sized pools are the best. So once you found a pool, stake your crypto to it through your wallet. That's all you need to do, and you'll start earning rewards. Now let's talk about what are the benefits of cryptocurrency staking. First, it's an easy way to earn interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. Second, you don't need any equipment for crypto staking like you would for crypto mining. And you're helping to maintain the security and efficiency of the blockchain, and it's more environmentally friendly than crypto mining. The primary benefit of staking is that you earn more crypto, and interest rates can be very generous. In some cases, you can earn more than 30% or 50% per year. It's potentially a very profitable way to invest your money. The only thing you need is a crypto that uses the proof of stake model. Staking is also a way of supporting the blockchain of a cryptocurrency you're invested in, and this cryptocurrency rely on holders staking to verify transactions and keep everything running smoothly. And yes, there are a few risks of staking crypto to understand. First, crypto prices are very volatile and can drop very quickly. If your staked assets suffer a large price drop, that could outweigh any interest you earn on them. Second, staking can require that you lock up your coins for a minimum amount of time, and during that period you're unable to do anything with your staked asset, such as selling them. And third, when you want to unstake your crypto, there may be a significant fee and an unstaking period of 7 days or longer. The biggest risk you face with crypto staking is that the price goes down. Keep this in mind if you find cryptocurrencies offering extremely high staking rewards rates. For example, many smaller crypto projects offer high rates to entice investors, but their prices then end up crashing. Although crypto that you stake is still yours, You need to unstake it before you can trade it again. It's important to find out if there is a minimum lockup period and how long the unstake process takes so you don't get any unwelcome surprises. Cryptocurrencies need to use the proof of stake consensus mechanism to have staking. There are many that don't, and these cryptos can't be staked. Proof of stake is the first or only consensus mechanism that cryptocurrencies can use. Proof of work was the first, since it was originated with Bitcoin. There is debate over which consensus mechanism is the more secure option, although the computational power required by proof of work uses substantial energy. It also makes proof of work blockchains difficult to attack. Some cryptocurrencies choose proof of work for this reason. So when you should or shouldn't stake crypto? If you have crypto you can stake and you aren't planning to trade it in the near future, then you should stake it. It doesn't require you any work on your part and you'll be earning more crypto. What if you don't have any crypto you can stake yet? Considering the returns you can make, it's worth researching cryptos with staking. It only makes sense to buy a crypto for staking if you also believe it's a long-term good investment. The proof of stake model has been beneficial for both cryptocurrencies and crypto investors. Cryptocurrencies can use proof of stake to process large number of transactions at minimal cost, and crypto investors also get the opportunity to collect passive income from their holdings. Now I want to show you one of the best projects in my opinion for staking and overall as an investment long term. I locked my coins with them for a 5 years period and right now I'm earning, let's say, passive income every day without doing nothing. The project is called VLaunch, which the token is VPAD, and VLaunch is the first of its kind multi-chain launchpad backed by the most prominent leaders in the blockchain space. VLaunch is focused on creating value for upcoming launching projects and for the community by actively engaging more than 180 of the top influencers in the industry. They first launched in late December 2021 and they offered a multi-million-dollar IDO allocations for the community just by engaging on their social media chats such as Telegram groups, Twitter, etc. And the community members received X amount of tokens in proportion at their engagement, and this time their Telegram group was like ranking the first in the world. As you can see, we are on the homepage of VLaunch and there were already upcoming projects launching on their launchpad, and as you can see there were these projects that tokens are already in distribution. So if you stake VPAD tokens you getting access to make a registration to receive IDO from these upcoming projects. And if you go right here on the dashboard, as you can see I received 625 tokens in total completely for free, and I locked them in the staking program on their platform for 5 years, which is the maximum time frame they offer. As you can see, you can stake them from 2 weeks to a maximum of 5 years. And overall I already received 210 tokens just by staking my initial amount, which is still mine, and it will be unlocked after 5 years, and I will be making 650% profit on that, on my initial amount, plus the token price will go up in value, and in my opinion it's just a really great move just by looking long term and the potential profit you can make just off one single project. The token price right now is trading at 6 cents, and it's completely normal as the whole cryptocurrency market is down in the last month. Overall, VLaunch is a great launchpad and I really believe in the founders. They are completely transparent and will make this project successful. Remember, there are lots of good projects that offer staking programs, and almost every day you can find projects offering IDO, let's say free money. If you're looking to stay updated, always receive the best news before anyone else and make some free money as well, make sure to get in my free Telegram group, link is down below in the description. I'm also doing giveaways weekly, so make sure to check it out. And if you want to get an instant 10% return on your investment, go ahead and pick up $10 of free Bitcoin with Coinbase after buying $100 worth of crypto. Link is down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. If you want me to talk about IDOs and other interesting topics, comment down below and I will check them out. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. I'll see you in the very next one. Till then, bye bye.